Welcome to appleguide. In this video, we're going to show you how to force quit an app on your MacBook. Do you have an app on your device that you're trying to close to no avail? This tutorial will show you how to force quit an app in simple steps. App can be forcefully closed and start again. Choose force quit by clicking the Apple menu at the left hand corner. Scroll down to force quit, and from here you can just click on the app, let's say Microsoft Word, and then click force quit. Another option is to press Command, Option and Escape on your device. A box will pop up like this, and you can also force quit an app. So I've clicked on Microsoft Word and then click force quit. Done. This is how you force quit an app on your device.